Today we're planting up a north-facing border that gets almost no direct sun. It's about 11 square meters, and right now it's mostly bare soil with just a hydrangea and a fern. The goal is year-round interest, from winter flowers right through to autumn colour. We're starting with Dragon Gate Sweetbox. It's evergreen, about a metre tall, and it flowers through the coldest months with fragrant cream blooms. That fills the biggest gap in this border, January to March, when nothing else is happening. Next, a white evergreen azalea. This picks up where the sweetbox finishes, flowering in April and May. It's a clean, cool white that gives the border a calm woodland feel in spring. Now, Hebe topiaria. This is a neat mounding evergreen with variegated foliage that catches light in the shadiest spots. White flowers from June to August bridge the gap before the hydrangeas peak. This is the star of the border. Wild Swan anemone flowers for 7 months, from May right through to November. We're planting 6 of them in a drift along the front to create a thread of white that ties the whole scheme together. Adding to that, Jack Frost Brunner. Those silver-frosted heart-shaped leaves light up shaded ground all season, and in April it produces these lovely sky blue forget-me-not flowers. Alongside that, Ursula's red-painted fern. The silver fronds are flushed with purple red, which adds a completely different kind of brightness to the front of the border. It pairs beautifully with the existing buckler fern. And finally, purple tears switch grass. At about 1.35 meters, it's the tallest plant in the border. The silvery foliage catches the breeze and adds movement, which is something none of the other plants do. And that completes our shady border. We've gone from 2 plants and 10 bare months to year-round flowers, evergreen structure, and silver foliage that brightens the shade. Every one of these plants actually prefers low light. This is where they want to be.